This is Donal, and Donal is genuinely, spectacularly boring. Donal doesn't trade crypto at 3 a.m. Donal doesn't flip NFTs. Donal doesn't have a motivational podcast where he talks about his morning routine for 45 minutes. Donal runs boring businesses, dull, unglamorous, unsexy businesses that nobody makes YouTube thumbnails about. And Donal made $1,800 yesterday while he slept. See, somewhere along the way, the internet convinced everyone that making money required either genius, risk, or a ring light and a camera. It doesn't. The most consistently profitable businesses in 2026 are the ones nobody talks about at dinner parties. They're not exciting, they're not viral, they just quietly make money every single day whether Donal shows up or not. Here are 10 of them. Number 1. Laundromats. A single, well-located laundromat generates $300 to $900 a month per machine. A decent-sized operation runs 15 to 20 machines. The machines do the work. Donal checks in twice a week. Nobody is filming a documentary about laundromat owners. They're too busy counting clean, consistent money. Number 2. Vending machines. One vending machine in a good location, hospital, gym, office building, generates $300 to $1,000 a month. Donal owns 12 of them. He restocks them every 2 weeks. Total active work time per month? Maybe 6 hours. The machines operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they never call in sick. Number 3. Car washes. Automated car washes require almost zero staff. Monthly membership models mean recurring, predictable revenue. A single automated car wash location pulls $50,000 to $100,000 annually. Not exciting, extremely profitable. Number 4. Storage units. People have too much stuff and not enough space. This problem will never go away. Storage facilities have extraordinarily low operating costs, high occupancy rates, and customers who pay monthly on autopilot and forget they're even subscribed. Average self-storage facility generates $400,000 to $800,000 annually. Number 5. ATM machines. Every cash transaction at a privately owned ATM generates a fee for the owner. Donal owns 8 ATMs placed in convenience stores, bars, and small shops. Each machine earns $300 to $800 per month passively. Nobody thinks about ATM ownership. That's exactly why it works. Number 6. Parking lots. Land that generates income around the clock with zero product, zero staff, and minimal maintenance. A single parking lot in a busy urban area generates $2,000 to $10,000 monthly depending on location. The business model is almost offensively simple. Own the space, charge people to use it, repeat forever. Number 7. Boring SaaS tools. Not the next revolutionary app. A simple, specific software tool that solves one annoying problem for a specific industry. Invoice generators for contractors, scheduling tools for small clinics, inspection checklists for property managers. Boring, specific, and subscription-based. Donal's boring SaaS tool makes $4,000 a month with zero advertising because it solves one real problem better than anything else available. Number 8. Digital courses on evergreen topics, not motivational content, practical, specific skills. How to use Excel for accounting, how to file taxes for freelancers, how to pass a specific professional certification. Built once, sold forever, updated occasionally. Donal's Excel course has made money every single month for 3 years without a single new video added. Number 9. Local service businesses with systems. Cleaning companies, lawn care services, pool maintenance. The owner builds the systems, hires the workers, and steps back. The business runs on process, not personality. Donal's cleaning business operates across 4 neighborhoods. He hasn't cleaned a single room in 14 months. Number 10. Boring content websites, not viral blogs. hyper-specific information websites that rank on Google for niche searches and generate advertising revenue around the clock. A website about one specific topic, best tools for a specific trade, reviews of one product category, quietly earns $1,000 to $5,000 monthly from search traffic alone. No social media required, no audience building. Just useful information that people search for daily. Now, here's the truth about all 10 of these. None of them are glamorous. None of them will get Donal invited onto a podcast about entrepreneurship. None of them have a community of excited followers cheering him on. They just make money, quietly, consistently, while Donal sleeps. The most dangerous idea the internet sold everyone is that making money should be exciting. The most profitable businesses in history have always been the boring ones. Pick one, learn it properly, build it slowly, let it run. The exciting businesses get the attention. The boring businesses get the money. If any monkeys are confused, this is just a simple explainer about boring businesses. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey.